Hello guys, welcome to Sherem Diecast. Today's video is about the Johnny Lightning Gold Collector Club membership. I bought a membership and this is what I got. Look this beautiful box. Johnny Lightning Collector Club. Okay, let's see what we got inside the box. The first thing that we see here is the certificate of authenticity. Said, welcome to the Johnny Lightning Collector Club. This certifies that your exclusive membership includes both an authentic vintage 164 playing mantis Johnny Lightning vehicle predating 2004, and also an authentic replica of a 164 69 Royal Bobcat GTO. Also included is your personalized membership card and bonus keychains. Nice! That is, you are now part of the special group of collectors with benefits, opportunities available only to Johnny Lightning Collector Club member. Thank you for supporting Johnny Lightning. And there is Thomas Lowe, founder and president of Playing Mantis and Round 2. This is the Johnny Lightning logo. Nice. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's open it. Okay. And we have paper. Okay, thank you for becoming a member of the awesome Johnny Lightning Collector Club. The membership entitles you to those exclusive Johnny Lightning Collector Club benefits. There is a benefit here about a gold membership, and I have exclusive Collector Club cards available for purchase to active club members only, cards to be announced, and free shipping on any out-of-war store purchase over $50, video call with Tom Lowe and the Johnny Lightning Design Production team, dates to be announced to club members via email or postcard membership list. And that is the silver membership. If you buy a silver instead of gold, you have exclusive collector club cards available for purchase for active club members. And start enjoying your member benefit today. Okay, nice. Oh, this is the first exclusive card that we have. 69 Dodge Charger RT, okay, $9.99, it's not bad. For collector club only, exclusive card. Okay. We have another one here. 65 Shelby Cobra Force 27. Paper. And this is what we have here. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Let's see. This is the Royal Bobcat. Look at that. So nice. Nice details. This one. Not bad. The gold gold membership is about $47. That is not bad. This is the other car that came in the box set. This is a Mustang. Purple flames here. Flames are from yellow, orange, purple. The back of the car from the door is pink. Why me? Nice car. This is a Kentucky Derby. One day. It was random, but it's beautiful. I like it. This is the back of the car. It's Kentucky Derby pictures. Man, first 2004, the war will. Where's the 130 runner of Kentucky Derby? Okay, nice. I have the Mustang. Not bad. Oh, look, my personalized car. This is my name. Gold membership. This is the keychain. Look at that. It's metal. Johnny Lining. Your collection. Our passion. JohnnyLining.com. It's nice. Okay. This is what we got when you buy the gold membership collector club from Johnny Lining. Not bad. I love the GTO. It's beautiful, beautiful. They have open doors. I don't know. Let me see. I don't think so. No, I think I have open hood, but okay. Okay, guys, let me know if you like it. Do some comments. Please help me to raise my channel. And tell your friends about Sherem Diecast. And subscribe, please, if you are not subscribed. Please subscribe and help Sherem Diecast. And look what we got for